Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you the description. Today we're looking at Kellogg's Crunchy Nuts. Should I say Crunchy Nut Cornflakes? I want to bring the camera back because it's such a massive box. Yes, Kellogg's Crunchy Nut, the famous one with the honey-soaked flakes. Right, being the original Kellogg's, I thought I'll show you this. This is a 500 gram box, and we've got Cowbell British long skim milk, which of course is from, I believe that's from Aldi. Yes it is. Anyway, so I'll open them up, see what they're like. Okay, so that's what they look like inside. Give it a glow. Yep. Now, these have been going on absolutely ages, so I'm going to put some milk on them. Takes me back. This Cowbell's alright from Aldi as well, it's nice. So, yeah. That's really nice. Look at zoom in on that. As you can see, guys, nice. You expect that from Kellogg's, being a brand, you know, top brand. So, yeah. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Quick look at that one. If you like these type of videos, why not subscribe? And I'll catch you in the next one.